Today we're going to talk about 5 forgotten World War II aircraft. Now let's begin. 1. Arado Ar 234 jet bomber. Often overshadowed by the famous Me-262, the R-234 was the world's first operational turbojet-powered bomber. It conducted high-speed reconnaissance over Britain and participated in bombing missions, including the attacks on the Remagen Bridge in March 1945. 2. Horten Ho 229 Flying Wing Fighter. This innovative all-wing, jet-powered design was unique for its time. Although only prototypes were finished and none saw combat, the Ho 229 pointed to the future of stealth and improved aerodynamics. 3. Vought V-173 Flying Pancake. Known as the Flying Pancake, this experimental U.S. Navy aircraft featured a strange circular wing. It was designed to explore radical lift and short takeoff concepts. It flew successfully but was too unconventional to progress beyond the prototype stage. 4. Nakajima Kikka. Jet fighter. Japan's first jet aircraft, inspired by the German Me-262, flew just before the war ended. With only 2 test flights completed and no combat service, the Kikka is often forgotten, despite marking Japan's entry into jet technology. 5. Lockheed Hudson. A versatile workhorse, the Hudson was used for patrol, reconnaissance, and even dropping lifeboats to downed airmen. Though thousands were built and served in many air forces, it never gained the fame of other Allied bombers. Don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon. Stay tuned.